Stop it. Paco, stop. Paco, stop. Pretty bird. Oh, his water bowl is really good. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Paco, if you don't. Oh no. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Paco, what are you doing?
We're out, bro. We got out, guys. We did it. We escaped for the 6 days. A little longer than Area 17, but we got out. We did it. But, yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to leave the video a like, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you enjoy my content and want to see more of me, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? Pretty bird. Talking about? What was you talking about before? Huh? What was you talking about before, huh? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. 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 Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Pretty bird. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
We're gonna take a swing at one of them just the right way so that sees us.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo.
What are you laughing about? What are you doing, big boy? Huh? What are you doing, big boy?
Hello. Hello.
Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo.
So here, right here, guys, is the glitch. Basically, I'm going to go to the
Where's little quackers?
open my crafting menu, and I'm dropping in both keys and the blank security pass.
And you start watching videos in here, you're watching Paco weird things. Like that.
Pretty bird.
Just a moment.
What are you doing, John?
Guys, because the items are in my crafting menu, this dog is not able to.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Pretty bird.
What? What do you want? What are you on about? John, I don't want to hear your screeches. John! I don't want to hear your screeches. You're right in my ear. Yeah, pretty bird. What's wrong with your nose? What's up with that? Yeah? What are you trying to do? You trying to step up? Yeah? Oh, what are you doing, Poco? You struggling there? There you go.
Hey, you want out for a bit? I'll let you out for a bit.
Maybe. But Mom might also, yell at me.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, don't do that! You can hurt your wings!
So we're just going to sit here. We're going to be reading. We're going to use our shape professor. We're going to...
You don't need to be eating around her either. That's gross. Braylon, be mature. Reaper! John! What do you want? What do you want? Stop pecking at my head like that. Yeah. He was all up against the phone and everything. Jeez.
Hello.
Say something. Say something, Paco. Woo!
Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Are you trying to find my ear? Is that what you're doing? Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hello. Alright. Bye-bye.